Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Oral-B IO all-in-one clean rechargeable toothbrush. This one has a visible pressure sensor to protect gums, and it has a Bluetooth connection, 5 cleaning setting, and a 2-minute timer. So by the way, I got this out of Costco. Original price was like $169.99, and it was on sale for $119.99. So this one comes with the 2 handles, 2 chargers, 4 brush heads, 2 travel cases. Has a 5 cleaning setting, daily clean, intense, sensitive, super sensitive, and then whitening. So with this round brushes, it reaches deeper and cleans better. So I guess there's an app that you need to download for the App Store or the Google Play Store. So yeah, it says download the Oral-B app for a connected brushing experience. But it's kind of drag. I mean, you gotta brush your teeth while you open your app. It says deep clean brush heads helps remove plaque, leaving teeth feeling clean and bright. Tufted bristle help clean hard to reach area of the mouth. So this is made in Hungary, not China. Let's go ahead and open this up. Healthier gum and whiter teeth for life. So yeah, in case you brush it too hard, there's a 360-degree visible pressure sensor to help protect gums. So when you press too hard, it will turn into like a red color, okay? So yeah, this is daily clean, intense with the plus sign, sensitive, and super sensitive with the plus sign, and then whitening. So that if you press too hard, see it turns to red. And now these are the brush heads. Oh my god, so this is different types than the previous one that I would purchase, so this is a travel case. Guess you can put it either way. So this is the wireless charging cradle. So there's a clear tape here, so you know it's brand new. If you don't have this tape, that means either customer return. Okay, let's go and then test out all the settings. Sounds almost the same, so unless you put it in your mouth. So this is like a rubberized material. Let's go ahead and download the app and then see. So yeah, let's go ahead and scan the QR code. So I just look for the Oral-B IO app, click on install. So go ahead and click on open. So you can press start and then click on allow. So I guess you had to put your name, first and last name, your email, click all this term and conditions. So anyway, I'm not gonna do that because this set is for my sons. So they're gonna let them, I'm gonna allow them to do that themselves. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.